10 idioms in 60 seconds.
Let's go!
Time to hit the books.
Okay.
No, Leo, it means time to study.
Oh, hit the books.
Don't let the cat out of the bag.
Cat?
No, Leo, it means don't tell the secret.
Oh, cat out of the bag.
You look under the weather.
Under the weather?
No, Leo, it means you feel sick.
Oh, under the weather.
That only happens once in a blue moon.
Blue moon?
No, Leo, it means very rarely.
Oh, blue moon.
Come on, Leo, just bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet?
No, Leo, it means be brave and do it.
Oh, bite the bullet.
Hold your horses, Leo.
Horses.
No, it means slow down.
Oh, hold your horses.
This is a piece of cake.
Cake?
No, Leo, it means it's very easy.
Oh, piece of cake.
I can't believe it. This costs an arm and a leg.
My arm, my leg.
No, Leo, it means it's very expensive.
Oh, arm and a leg. Let's break the ice.
Okay.
No, Leo, it means to start talking. Oh, break the ice.
Don't spill the beans.
Okay.
No, Leo, it means don't tell the secret.
Oh, spill the beans. Save this.
Follow for more.